Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Sublime Text versus Zed, best text editor software. Looking for the best text editor? Let's compare Sublime Text and Zed. Two top-tier tools with different strengths. Zed, built in Rust, launches in under 100 milliseconds with buttery smooth performance. Sublime Text is just as quick, starting in about 50 milliseconds with low RAM usage, though plugins can slow it slightly. Feature-wise, Sublime's boasts a massive plugin library, regex tools, multi-cursor editing, and distraction-free mode, plus Vim-style support. It's stable, customizable, and costs $99 after a free trial. Zed, on the other hand, includes modern features out of the box: Git, terminal, and AI collaboration via chat and screen share. Its multi-users editing and clean, focused UI make it ideal for real-time teamwork. However, its expansion support is limited, and some bugs still appear. When it comes to user experience, Sublime is polished and portable, while Zed offers a sleek, zen feel like perfect for focused work. So choose Sublime for reliability and flexibility, or Zed if you want speed, built-in tools, and a next-gen editing experience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.